When life gives you lemons and ginger, make a potent health elixir. This zesty duo serves up a medley of holistic benefits, with its dynamic interplay of flavors disguising a bounty of wellness virtues. Ginger, often lauded for its anti-inflammatory prowess, also brings to the table a smattering of antioxidants that do wonders for immune function. On the other end, lemons pack a citrusy punch full of vitamin C, crucial for skin health and immune boosting. Blend them together and voila! A concoction emerges that's both delicious and restorative. The magic amplifies when these two unite. The lemon's citric acid kicks up the digestive system a notch, easing bloating and promoting regularity. Meanwhile, ginger's gingerol compounds make quick work of nausea, whether you're queasy from a boat ride or morning sickness. Additionally, both ingredients share detoxifying traits, essential for cleansing the system.